Good morning students. After the introduction of polymer means that formed by the repeating of small units, that molecule formed by the repeating of small units. These small units are known as monomer and obtained molecule is known as polymer. These polymers are also known as macromolecules because they have high molecular mass. Now our topic is classification of polymer. Polymers are classified in so many types. In this, the first classification is based on the source. In which source we get polymer? This is the base on first classification. According to source, polymer is classified in three categories. First is the natural polymer, second is the semi-synthetic polymer, and third is the synthetic. As the name of these sources give information, natural, that polymers obtained from nature, polymer obtained from nature. In nature, in plants, in animals, so many polymers are present like starch, cellulose, rubber, DNA, RNA, all these are the natural polymer obtained from nature. Second classification is semi-synthetic. It means it is the mixture from the nature or from the chemical. We get polymer from the nature, add some chemicals in it and we increase the property of the natural polymer. So, semi-synthetic means it is the mixture of natural plus chemical substance. The best example is cellulose derivatives, cellulose acetate. The most common example is cellulose acetate and its common name is rayon. It is very important question here because in competitive exam this word rayon is asked. Rayon is the cellulose acetate. Next example is cellulose nitrate. These two are the most common example of semi-synthetic polymer. Third category is synthetic polymer. As you show in your daily life, polythene, PVC, bakelite, terylene, nylon, all are the synthetic polymer because they based on the chemicals only. We get it from the chemicals only. So, these are the synthetic polymer. Now, you all students understand the first classification, that is the source. Source ke accordingly we get three parts. First is the natural, second is the semi-synthetic and third is the synthetic. And this word rayon, you all students understand this rayon is mixture of cellulose and acetate. Clear all of you? This is the first classification. Now type 2. This second classification is based on the structure of polymer. Structure means how monomer unit join together and form the polymer. And according to structure, this classification also divided in three parts. First structure, simple structure is the linear polymer. Only we get linear chain. Second is the branch. Some branch is outlet from the linear chain. And third is the cross-linked. We move our first topic, that is the linear chain. It means structure unit or monomer unit are joined together only linearly. And the best example is PVC, polyvinyl chloride, and high density polythene. The structure of PVC and high density polythene we study further, but here the example is PVC and high density polythene. These are the shape only linearly. Second is the branched. In linear chain, some CH3 group or other group outlet from the linear chain, that is the branched polymer. For example, low density polythene or polypropylene. In polypropylene, one CH3 branch is obtained in polymer. Third is the cross-linked. Cross-linked means two linear chain are joined together by a covalent bonded group. This covalent bond is strong in nature, so cross-linked compounds are very strong. So first is the linear, second is the branch, and third is the cross-linked. And example of cross-linked polymer is bakelite. Bakelite, that is used in formation of switches, etc., or handles of the cooker, that is the bakelite, and it has the structure of cross-linked. So here the two type of classification, first is the source accordingly, second is the structure. Thank you.